Hello everybody, welcome to Charleston Car Videos. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mercedes Benz ML250 diesel that's for sale currently at Southern Motor Company. Stay with me, we're going to take it out for a test drive, check out the outside and interior, let you know the price, mileage, and everything we can show you to hopefully help you make a great decision on buying your next midsize SUV. All right everybody, so there it is. The 2015 Mercedes Benz ML250 diesel. My first time filming a 250. A lot of times we have the ML350s, and most of the time we have the ML350s that run off of gas, not diesel. But currently right now at Southern Motor Company, we have two diesel MLs. We got a 2014 at the store, black on black, which is the ML350 Blue Tech diesel. And then this one just came in yesterday. So with that being said, we're gonna walk around it, take a look at it, see how the condition is. This one's silver with the quartz gray leather interior and is absolutely gorgeous. I've always been a fan of silver Mercedes, and man, the silver looks good on the ML. Anyways, I love all the black with the hints of chrome, the grille, the big logo. I mean, just really stands out quite nicely there. Headlights look good. The actual exterior body on the car is almost in pristine condition. I haven't seen any dents, stings, scratches, or imperfections on her. And again, she's 6 years old with 77,000 miles. Now, you can hear the engine running under there. Again, it's your 4-cylinder diesel, the ML250. You do have the alloy wheels, Michelin tires. You got the running boards down at the bottom that look really nice and clean down there. Your lights in the mirror, rear tinted windows. You got the bars that go across the top. Also your sunroof. Let's take a look at the rear. Very nice. There you have it. It's got the LED taillights. Again, the exterior is in great shape, and you'll see in a second that the interior also is in really nice condition. This one's got the tow package back there for you. It's got the backup camera, also power tailgate. LED lights under there for the tag, which look good at night because they're more of a bright white color, which looks nice and clean. Plenty of storage space in the back of the ML. There is no third row seat, so again, you're taking advantage of all the storage space. There you go, you can do that. Back seat's got a 60-40 back seat split, and again, just super clean. Under here, you got a spare tire still, so it's nice to see. This would be a great car for somebody out there looking to get a mid-size SUV. And then on top of that, the diesel engine. I think the takeaway from the diesel motor is the longevity of those engines. They just seem to run and last for quite a while. So that's definitely something that's a positive note to be said on this particular vehicle. Also, it's a very luxurious car. I mean, when you think of a luxury car, most of the time you think of Mercedes. Interior looks nice. I love the black and the gray. Again, just instead of a wood trim here, just a solid piano black. Why I say piano black? It just, to me, it looks like kind of like a baby grand piano, how they look. Beautiful interior though. Wow. Looks really good. Perforated leather with the holes in it. You got rear air vents in the back. Plenty of room if you got friends, family, or kids getting in. Also, the dark colored floors are nice to see. You know, never really thought, like, why in the world would people, or why would car companies put, you know, tan floors in a car? I mean, with your shoes and all that. Darker colored floors, I think, are always best to have. And actually, now I'm thinking about it, it actually, when the sun hits it just right, it's actually not a solid black. Look at it. It's actually like a dark wood trim. So maybe not a piano, but it still looks really nice. Got memory seats, power windows, power door locks, power everything. Leather's in great shape on the driver's side here. Armrest looks good. I mean, everything. The creme de la creme, the cream of the crop of American SUVs, right? Well, technically, It's not an American SUV, but I'll tell you one thing. It's sold in America, and a lot of Mercedes vehicles are starting to be built right here in America. Got dual climate control, start stop engine button here. AC, I'm trying to figure out where the fan, there it is. Turn that down a little bit. It definitely is nice and cold. I also like the wood trim up here and on the bottom. It just feels so nice. And I know those ladies out there, they just love, you know, feeling that right there. It just feels good. Us guys do too. But, you know, when the women drive them, right, they got their little rings on and all, their nails are done. It's just, you know, I know how ladies are. They love putting their hand up here and just seeing that going on while they're cruising in their ML down the road, right? Guys like to see their watch, right? Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah. Anyways, wish I had a tag or something like that. But anyways, thank you to my friend Randy for this little gift here that works at the store. That was so nice of him to send me or give me this watch a few months ago. I've never really been a watch guy, but I'm starting to like watches. My friend Randy that works in the store, he loves watches. He's a watch enthusiast. He collects them, buys them, trades them, wears them, and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, I get it. Watches are cool to have, and they look nice. All right, moving right along though, right? Let's go ahead and get our seat in position. I keep thinking it's down here, but it's actually right here. Push that up a little bit. There we go. Even got a little button there to move the headrest around. Mileage is pretty good, actually. 74,365. Let's go ahead and cut our blinkers off. Let's go ahead and put her in reverse. There we go. Backup camera. We're definitely going to use it, but right this second, we're actually going to pull forward. I'm in a tight spot right now. Where I film the cars at sometimes. I get kind of tight over here by this church because what I'm doing, folks, is I'm getting tight because I'm getting inside the shadow. And that's what it's all about when filming the interior of a beautiful car like this. You want to get in the shadow to get the best interior shot. Anyways, guidelines are doing a great job right now on the camera screen there. There we go. But I still have to pay attention to my surroundings. There's a lot going on. You got a really sharp point there with the brick. You got a fence behind us, so we don't want to bump into anything when driving a vehicle like this, because a vehicle like this is not cheap to work on and not cheap to fix if you bump something or scratch something. You know, that's the whole deal to that. But anyways, another thing I've always noticed on a Mercedes, and especially on the ML, it's like butter, right? To turn that steering wheel around, the power steering on a Benz is like no other. I mean, it's just so smooth. I mean, look, one finger. I mean, that's nice to be able to move that around with one finger like that. So steering it is actually pretty easy as long as you know what you're doing. All right, like a 1.5 minute video just backing this puppy up. But anyways, just trying to be careful because at the end of the day, it's not my car. It is the dealership's car until it sells. So there's that diesel engine. Doesn't feel too bad. Feels pretty good. Not as powerful as the V6 BlueTech, but still going to have probably enough get up and enough oomph to get you up and out of harm's way if need be. All right, so you may be wondering to yourself, what does a 15 Mercedes Benz ML250 BlueTech cost to purchase? Well, today at Southern Motor Company, this one will cost you just around $23,990. So $23,990 for this gorgeous ML250 diesel. The black one that we have, which I will show you real quickly here before we get off the video, is quite a bit less, coming in at around $18,900. The difference in the two, again, is the size engine, 1 year older, and a good bit more mileage. This one has 74,000 miles. That one has 122,000 miles. So 2014 ML350 BlueTech, black on black with 122K for $18,900. Let me show it to you real quick, just in case you're in the market for something like this. So we definitely have a nice selection of mid-size SUVs at Southern Motor Company right now, but the one we just got done talking about is this one right here. Again, body style pretty much exactly about the same as far as looks are concerned, and the interior, again, you just got a different color going on. But again, this one is $18,900 versus $23,900. Again, 15 model, 74,000 miles, ML250, 122 on the miles, $18,900 ML350. All right, there's your choices, guys. Thanks for watching with me. We also have the Acura MDX, the RX350, the Ford Explorer, and many more luxury mid-size SUVs. God bless America. I look forward to meeting you soon. But if you just enjoy watching the videos, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it.